Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous video, we learned about keyboard and mouse with their types. Today we will see monitor and printers with their types. So the content are what is monitor and their types, what is printer and their types. So first one is monitor. As we know, monitor are the main output device of a computer. Computer used monitor to produce the processed data to the user. It creates a visual display by the use of which user can view processed data. Okay. All monitors depend on a video card which is positioned on the computer motherboard. As I already discussed that for input and output devices, we need a mediator known as device controller. So video card is a device controller. Other than monitor, it is also known as VDT, video display terminal, and VDU, video display unit. Now, types of monitor. First one is CRT monitor. Nowadays, it is obsolete. It is based on cathode ray tubes. The monitor contains millions of phosphorus dots of red, green and blue color. These dots start to glow when struck by electron beams. And then we see the image. Okay. Next type is LCD monitor. Okay. It is flat panel screen and lightweight as compared to CRT monitor because of the flatness. It is based on liquid crystal display technology that are mostly used in laptops, tablets, smartphones, etc. An LCD screen comprises two layers of polarized glass with a liquid crystal solution between them. When the light passes through the first layer, an electric current aligns the liquid crystals. After that, the aligned liquid crystal allow varying level of light to pass through the second layer to create images. Okay, that's why when we touch the screen with the hand, it looks like a crystal liquid. Okay. Nowadays, LED monitors are used. It is an improved version of LCD monitor. Okay. Again, the same technology is used, but the difference between them lies in the source of light to backlight the display. So how? The LED monitor has many LED panels and each panel has several LED backlight the display, whereas the LCD monitors use cold cathode fluorescent light. Okay, this is the basic difference between LCD and LED. Clear? Because of the several LED backlight functionality is there, LED is very popular. Now, printers. This device generates a hard copy version of processed data. With the help of monitor, we can see the processed data, but with the help of printers, we can take the hard copy of that processed data. Clear? Next, types of printers. Types of printers can be categorized into two: impact printers and non-impact printers. As the name suggests, impact printers print the characters by striking them on the ribbon, which is then pressed on the paper, while non-impact printers print the characters without using the ribbon. These printers print a complete page at a time. That's why it is also known as page printers. Impact printers can be character printers, line printers, and various examples in characters printers like dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printers, while in line printers it can be drum printers and chain printers. Non-impact printers are laser printers and inkjet printer. I am going to discuss the most widely used printers nowadays. First one is dot matrix printer. It prints characters as combination of dots. These have a matrix of pins on the print head of the printer which form the character. The computer memory sends one character at a time to be printed by the printer. There is a carbon between the pins and the paper. The words get printed on the paper when the pin strikes the carbon. Generally, it has 24 pins. You can easily see in old offices like post office and banks. Next one is inkjet printers. It prints character by spraying patterns of ink on the paper from a nozzle or jet. It prints from nozzles having very fine holes from which a specially made ink is pumped out to create various letters and shapes. And the last one is laser printer. Laser printer is a type of printer that utilizes a laser beam to produce an image on a drum. The light of the laser alters the electrical charge on the drum wherever it hits. The drum is then rolled through a reservoir of toner, which is picked up by the charged portion of the drum. Finally, the toner is transferred to the paper through a combination of heat and pressure. Clear? So, laser printer is widely used printers nowadays. So, that's all for today. Today we learned about monitor and their types, printers and their types. In the next video, we will see central processing system, also known as CPU, in detail. Thank you so much.